Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a zoom-in motion blur effect in Adobe Premiere Pro. Here you can see that I have a video on my canvas. Suppose I want to create a zoom-in motion blur effect for this video. To do this, move your playhead to where you want the motion blur effect to begin. Then go to the Project panel and click on the New Item button. Now click on Adjustment Layer, then click OK. Next, drag the adjustment layer above your clip on the timeline. Resize the adjustment layer to match your clip. Next, head over to the Effects panel and search for Transform. Now drag the effect onto your adjustment layer. After that, go to the Effect Controls panel and scroll down to the Transform Effect section. Here, uncheck the Use Composition's Shutter Angle option and change the shutter angle value to 360 to create a strong motion blur effect. Now click the stopwatch icon right beside Scale under the Transform section to create your first keyframe. Let's zoom in on the keyframe timeline to better understand the process. Next, move forward about 20 frames. Now increase the scale according to your needs to create the zoom-in effect. My video was shot pretty close up, so I will increase it to 135%, but you may need to increase the scale up to 300% according to your clip. To smooth out the zoom, highlight both keyframes and right-click on any one of them. In the pop-up, select Ease In. Now expand the Scale property to see the timeline graph. Now click and drag the left blue handle down to the same level as the right side handle and then slightly to the right. Now drag the right side handle to the left, but leave a small gap between the handles to create a smooth arc in the graph. This will give your zoom a more natural, dynamic motion. Let's play the video from the start now. And that's how you add a zoom-in motion blur in Premiere Pro. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.